Okay, this is a real quick video I'm gonna make. You know what I mean? I know y'all wondering why I got the straw in my mouth. Because I got water right here and the sun is beaming right now. I know y'all see the sun, look. I hope y'all can see it. You see it? Okay, quick little tutorial on how the sun gaze, real quick. You gotta have water present with you. You know, I got my water right here. I got my coat, move. You see, I got my water right here. I got my straw. This is a reusable straw. I just dip this right in here, right? Matter of fact, let me put this right here for y'all so you can actually see what I'm talking about. All right, so I put my I got my canister right here. This is 87 ounces, fluid ounces. So once you have this filled throughout the day, I'm telling you, you're gonna be so good. Like you're gonna feel like a divine masculine. And for a woman that drinks water as well, you're gonna feel like a divine feminine. Because the sun connects, like when you sun gaze, it connects with your conscious mind. You know what I mean? So mostly like when you stop using like fluoride toothpaste, that's actually, you know, you're decalcifying your pineal gland when you use vegan toothpaste. And don't use tap water when you brush your teeth, because that's bad. I'll talk about that in a whole nother video. But this is a quick little tutorial. So you have your water, you know, you put Himalayan pink salt in your water, or sea salt in your water, and you put lemon or lime in your water. You mix those up together, you know, either those salts or, you know, the other. Hold on, let me see if I could. Yeah, that's a little bit better. All right, see, if you actually put sea salt with lime or lemon or Himalayan pink salt, lime or lemon, either way, you're still gonna get the benefits. And try out cucumbers too, because my godmother had put me on game that actually like cleans your skin and stuff. And happy November. No Nut November is very present. That's gonna be my next video as well. No Nut November is very, you know, preferable, you know, and it has a reference to, you know, the way you carry yourself as a human being. Look up the secrets of semen retention and keeping your mind busy. You know what I mean? So if you're still masturbating and doing all that wild shit, you know, I'm not judging you at all. You could do what you want, but at the same time, you know, at the same time, when you're doing that, semen retention, you know, that's your seed, that's your cells. So if you keep releasing that, you know, they do say that semen retention, you know, just look up the secrets of semen retention. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. But if you see the sun right now, you want to keep yourself hydrated. You know what I mean? Because especially drinking water every single day. Because drinking water every single day is it is absolutely necessary. You know, especially if you're drinking like purified water or spring water. Either way, those drinks are A1. I don't drink Poland spring water because Poland spring water is ass, okay? Drink Crystal Geyser water, you know, Essential water or Zen water or Smart water. Those waters are the best. Me, I just bought like some purified water at the store, you know what I mean? And I just, you know, I put it in my tank. I have a filtered water tube that actually connects through the tube, and you press the button and water comes out, water shoots out. So this is what you have to do. This is the step-by-step guide on how to sun gaze, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So I got my straw right here. I have my canister right here. I have my canister. You see my canister? And it has a strap on it too. You know, just to make sure, you know, like I have it handy. You know what I mean? You could put it in your book bag, you know, travel with it, you know, like a quick, you know, and it's very good for exercising. So anybody that exercises, does cardio workout, push-ups, you know, any type of fitness, you know, CrossFit, anything. This canister, you know, just look up gallon canisters. You know what I mean? This is not a gallon canister because I feel like drinking a gallon a day, bro. That's you know, I'm doing my best to elevate to that particular, you know, that particular moment in time in my life. But I'm gonna start off with the 87 fluid ounces because, you know, that's close to it. Very close to it. So, all right, this is a step-by-step guide on how to sun gaze, all right? See, the sun is beaming, right? Mind you, don't ever look at the sun without closing your eyes, okay? Especially if the sun is beaming like this, okay? Because this sun, look at this. This sun is it looks very beautiful, like it's shining, right? It's shining. It looks very beautiful. So this is what you do. You block the sun, right? Block the sun. Easy. This is an easy step. Anybody could do this. You could do this any time of the day, all right? So when the sun is beaming, right? You look at your hand. Cover the sun with your hand, right? Cover the sun with your hand, right? You see how I can still operate, right? You look at the sun through, you look at your hand, because that's where the sun is at, behind your hand, right? Then you close your eyes. Simple task. Look, close your eyes. And you keep breathing. And look at my last video on how hugging trees. This is exactly how you're supposed to be breathing. So just imagine me looking at the sun, right? Now look, you see how my stomach is, right? See how my stomach is. Imagine your stomach this is the microcosmic orbit, right? So just imagine, matter of fact, I'm gonna pull up my shirt. This is the microcosmic orbit, right? So breathe through your nose. Inhale, like as if your stomach is a balloon. That's what the microcosmic orbit is. Breathe through your nose. Inhale through your nose, right? And act like your tummy, your stomach, your belly or whatever it is, no matter what size you are, no matter what, because there's benefits of sun gazing, because it stops your appetite as well. Because, you know, you're eating the sun. That's why, like, you know, Spiritual Soul or, you know, Ralph Smart, aka Infinite Waters, they talk about sun gazing, and it's very beneficial. You have to sun gaze. Sun gives you vitamin D. Pause. You know what I mean? Like, you need that in your life. So this is how you breathe through your nose, all right, while you sun gaze. So just imagine me looking at the sun. You see my belly is out. I'm gonna pull this up real quick. All right, my belly is out, right? Don't mind the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna view from the side. So okay, mind you can do this however you want, all right? But make sure when you're doing this that you're hydrated, you have water near you, and you doing this while you have a smooth breathing cycle through your nose, because your nose is picking up everything that's going through your esophagus, everything. You know what I mean? Pick up this book. Just look up Mantak Chai, okay? Mantak Chai, MANTAK space CHAI or CHIA, oh whatever. Look up that author, all right? Take notes. That man, he's a very spiritual person. That person really helped me on my spiritual awakening. He knows things about he knows about sexology, he knows about the female and male anatomy, everything above. So look up that man. That man is he's a very powerful man. He knows this shit. Excuse my language. But yes. So, all right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put the phone like this just for now so you can actually see. I'm sorry, this camera is actually a wide view. All right, so just look at what I'm doing, okay? So I'm looking at the sun. The sun is right here. I'm looking at it right now, closing my eyes. Make sure your stomach feels like a balloon, okay? Once you do it, you're gonna understand where I'm coming from. That's why I feel so good right now. Like, I feel like, I feel so good. Just doing this, just showing y'all the tools you have to do, to feel like a divine masculine if you're a man and a divine feminine if you're a woman, okay? So just keep in mind, this is very fundamental for your health and for your mental, because this connects with your conscious, the sun, okay? So yes, be consistent with it, because this is a great feeling. Always have water present with you, okay? Always have water present with you. And this canister, just go on Amazon. Just go on Amazon and just stay hydrated. It's very important, especially women, because most women. This is the last thing I'm gonna say before I go, because we're at the 13-minute mark, and I needed to make this video before 15-second hit. Okay, so women need to drink water as well. Most importantly, because your body carries a lot of water. That's why y'all release, y'all have y'all PMS, you know what I mean? Y'all go through menopause, y'all, some of y'all female ejaculations, y'all have not all women, but women have a G-spot. They female ejaculate. Not all women though, but I'm gonna close on that. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day, but just keep in mind, sun gazing is very fundamental to your health, especially if the sun is out, because that's what the Most High, that's what God created, like the sun god. That's why they call it the sun god. And moon gazing is coming next. Stargazing and moon gazing video is coming next. I'm going to come up with the benefits on stargazing and moon gazing. Okay, so peace and blessings. I hope everyone is good, and I'm gonna close with this. Stay safe, stay true to yourself, count your blessings, and may the Most High be with y'all. And this is Divine E.J-V.T, Old Soul Earl, signing out, man. I love y'all so much. Later.